minority and the majority, we have to do three works only: legislate, represent, and oversight. So other people should not feel they are in the government, they cannot criticize the government. They are supposed to criticize the government. So it starts by blackmailing people. Madam Speaker, the leadership, when it wants to be corrupt, it starts blackmailing the church leaders. Church leaders cannot condemn anybody because the decision to condemn is by God. And I wonder when a leader, a government leader who is in charge, would go and appoint a church leader, a bishop, to preside over anti-corruption institution. This is where corruption starts from. Madam Speaker, today, they told us Kimwarer and Arror, when they lost money, it was only 7 billion. They are in leadership today. They have not brought back that 7 billion. Madam Speaker, as I continue, they complained here of Kemsa. Kemsa, the newspaper was awash that somebody's son was there.
Honorable Kwenya, what is out of order?
Madam Speaker, the Honorable Wanjala is completely out of order in the sense that whatever he's talking about is a motion that was passed by this House. Either he's trying to insinuate that this House acted in vain, and of course we know Parliament does not act in vain. And therefore I plead with you, Madam Speaker, that you declare the Honorable Wanjala completely out of order.
Wanjala, I know your time is over, but from what Honorable Kwenya is saying, I don't think you're really out of order by, you're not out of, continue, wind up.
Give Caesar what belongs to Caesar. Give Caesar what belongs to Caesar. And give God what belongs to God. Why do we go and pick men of God already appointed by God, bring them to what Caesar is doing? That is where corruption is entrenched, Madam Speaker. And Madam Speaker, this country belongs to all of us. Scholarship in Wasiligishu, Madam Speaker,
where the president is... Hold on, Honorable Wanjala.